You keep saying new year, new me. You said it in 2025, so how come you ended the year the same way you started it? You need to understand that 2026 isn't different from 2025. Same way 2025 wasn't different from 2024. You think 2026 will automatically become better just because it's a new year? The only thing that changed is the date. It's what you do differently that will determine how your year will be or if you will actually get a new result. Spare me a bit of your time and I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide to actually lock in this 2026. If you really want 2026 to be a different year, the first thing you need to do right now is identifying what you actually want. Think about your current situation, not the version you want people to think you are, the actual you. You probably have a lot of things you want to achieve, but these aren't random desires. Everyone wants them because they're fundamental to feeling stable and capable. But before you chase them, you need specific goals. Could be a physical goal, something measurable and concrete. Your physical condition affects everything: energy, confidence, discipline, and even your self-worth. Improving your body improves your life. A skill goal, something that elevates your future. This prevents you from feeling stagnant. Growth creates momentum. A personal discipline goal, something that improves your daily life. When you master discipline, everything else becomes easier. Now you have your 3 categories. This is your foundation. Once you've set your goals, the next step is skill development. Skills give you confidence, career opportunities, financial protection, a competitive advantage, the ability to create, solve, and lead, and a sense of identity and purpose. You don't need to master 10 skills, just 1 or 2, but master them very deeply. How to choose the right skill. Ask yourself, what skill will benefit my future the most? What skill will make me more valuable? What skill do I genuinely enjoy learning? What skill aligns with the life I want? Some powerful options are creative skills, technical skills, practical skills, self-development skills. Pick one main skill and stay consistent with it. The skill learning system. Break the skill into many sub-skills. For example, if you choose video editing, breaking skills into pieces makes learning realistic. Learn in short, daily sessions. 20-40 minutes a day is enough. Your brain learns better with repetition, not brute force. Study, practice, and apply. Watching tutorials alone doesn't make you skilled. You must create something weekly. Track your progress. Note what you learned, what improved, and what needs work. By the end of the year, you won't just know the skill, you'll have the ability to use it. We live in a generation where technology can either destroy your attention span or turn you into one of the most skilled people in your circle. The difference is how you use it. Here are the tools that will elevate you. These platforms give you access to experts for a tiny cost or even free. They support daily learning habits, are perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. They will help you build consistency. Technology can be your greatest weapon, but only if you choose to use it intentionally. Now we get to the part that holds everything together, managing your time. Because you could have great goals and you could be learning great skills, but if your time is a mess, none of it sticks. Here's the system. The 3-block day. Divide your day into 3 simple, powerful blocks. Morning growth block, afternoon action block, evening recovery block. This rhythm creates balance, not burnout. The top 3 tasks rule. Every day, write down 3 things that must get done. Your brain can focus better with fewer decisions. The 1 controlled hour. Protect 1 hour of your day, same time every day. Divide it into 3 and use 20 minutes for learning, 20 minutes for reading, and the other 20 minutes for planning or practicing your main skill. 1 simple hour can completely change your trajectory. Time boundaries. To stay consistent, set phone limits, respect your bedtime, reduce unnecessary notifications, keep your workspace clean, don't overload your schedule, say no more often. Your time is a resource. Treat it like one. Here's what your 2026 lock-in structure now looks like. Goal clarity gives you direction. Skill learning gives you purpose. Technology gives you tools. Time management gives you consistency. Physical training gives you energy and confidence. Discipline gives you stability. Stack these together and your life changes slowly, steadily, permanently. Not because your year transformed automatically, but because you built a system that guarantees growth. Look, I'm not going to end this video with a motivation or try to hype you up because real change actually takes a lot of commitment and consistency. But if you actually decide to apply even a few things from this video, you will notice a huge difference in your life this year. Because you can't wish for life to happen, you work for life to happen. I've done my part by giving you a step-by-step guide and breaking everything down for you. Now the question is, will you do yours?